Hey everybody, so I'm coming back with a sweet and savory recipe. I have cinnamon raisin bagel and I have a blackened tilapia. I just add some cheese so it can start melting on my tilapia, toast my bagel. I made a quick avocado cilantro spread. I'm spreading that over my bagel. Okay, this is when sweet and savory comes together and be like best friends. Okay, so here I am spreading that avocado cilantro all over my bagel, putting it definitely on both sides. Okay, so now I've added my cucumbers, I'm adding my lettuce, I'm adding my tomato, and I'm just planing it all up and getting it pretty for you, okay? So here I'm just assembling it because I don't want my sandwich to fall apart. I love tomatoes. I can eat tomatoes all day. Here I'm adding my tilapia. My cheese is melted nicely. Adding on my top. I'm like, do I want it that way or do I want it this way for my picture? Let's see. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. So yummy. So delicious. Okay. I'm gonna put my top on, and that is sweet and savory.